What dealership LaFontaine Automotive Group has just added to its portfolio? Why Dodge's 2023 Challenger SRT Demon 170 stands out from the rest of its Challengers, and a look at Ford's new all-electric Explorer. Good morning, I'm Kristen Strakalitis. Welcome to First Shift. More on those stories in a moment, but first, Scout Motors plans to build its new $2 billion factory in Greenfield, South Carolina. According to CEO Scott Keogh, this was the best playout of 74 sites.
So in my mind, this was a perfect match. It's a people that welcomed us with incredible hospitality. It's a state that was breathtakingly professional. And I think what we have here, of course, is a unique American moment. I think it's a time for America to build great things again. I think it's a time for America to dream great things again. And I think that's exactly why we're bringing this iconic brand home.
Governor Henry McMaster signed a $1.3 billion incentive package into law for the project. The factory will have a capacity of 200,000 vehicles and will create jobs for an estimated 4,000 workers. If you are a muscle car fan, check out Dodge's latest Demon. The 2023 Challenger SRT Demon 170 has up to 1,025 horsepower when running on E85 fuel and 900 horsepower with E10 gasoline, and it launches from 0 to 60 in 1.66 seconds. This is Dodge's 7th and final last call special edition model as the brand prepares to end output of the gasoline-powered Challenger and Charger. Staying with product, Ford revealed its new all-electric Explorer for the European market. Both engineered and built in Europe, it combines German engineering with an American style. Ford says the midsize crossover is based on Volkswagen's MEB platform and is smaller than the US Explorer. It features a Sync movable touchscreen and fully connected infotainment system with audio tailored to the interior, wireless app integration, and advanced driver assistance technology. The automaker says the EV Explorer is the first in a wave of new EVs and forges the way for a complete reinvention of the brand in Europe. Ford has not announced plans to bring the EV to the US. LaFontaine Automotive Group is expanding its Michigan footprint. This after purchasing Lou LaRich Chevrolet in Plymouth, Michigan from Scott LaRich and the LaRich family earlier this week. CEO Ryan LaFontaine called the deal a perfect match. Overall, the Highland Michigan Group now has 54 franchises selling 24 brands, all in Michigan. Genesis is pushing standalone stores to help its ability to compete against other luxury automakers. Out of the brand's 270 dealers, only 4 so far have opened standalone stores. But the automaker just had 2 more dedicated retail locations open this month. The dealer principal of Genesis of Appleton in Wisconsin says, without standalone facilities, Genesis will be at a disadvantage when trying to compete with its competitors. Thanks for watching. Be sure to go to autonews.com for more news, and don't forget to follow us on Twitter at @first_shift. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.